Hey everyone, it's Osid. Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. This time it's a DIY. How to repair a dishwasher door latch on a dishwasher. This could honestly happen in your own home or in investment property. And in this example, one of my tenants gave me a call that the dishwasher door wasn't closing properly. So I thought, why not create a video? A simple breakdown on exactly how I fixed that issue. It was super simple and very cost effective. Hopefully it can save you guys and you don't have to replace a dishwasher yourself. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Check it out. Peace.
First, let's take a closer look at the door latch. Over time, these can wear out or become misaligned, causing the door not to latch properly. You'll need a few basic tools for this repair: a screwdriver or a drill, and a replacement latch. You can find the replacement part online by heading over to partselect.com. I'll show you how I did that. By grabbing the serial number to the dishwasher, PartSelect makes it very easy and simple to find the associated parts to your particular machine. With that done, let's head over to the first step, shall we? Let's get started. Step 1. Open the dishwasher door and locate the screws holding the inner door panel in place. There are usually 6 to 8 screws, depending on the dishwasher. Using your drill or screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside. Make sure you keep track of them, as you'll need them to reassemble the door later. Once the screws are out, gently lift off the inner door panel to reveal the latch mechanism. Aha! Here's the latch mechanism. You'll see it's held in place by a couple of screws and connected to some wiring. Carefully disconnect the wiring and remove the screws holding the latch in place. Keep a mental note of the way the wiring is configured. This will be the same setup to go along with the replacement latch. Now, take your new latch and align it with the screw holes, secure it with the screws, and reconnect the wiring under the same configuration as before. With the new latch installed, it's time to reassemble the door. Place the inner door panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, close the dishwasher door and test the latch. It should close smoothly and securely. A bonus step, you can actually run a load and see if there's any leakages. Here you can see it's working perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully repaired your dishwasher door latch without having to replace the machine itself. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more repair tutorials. See you next time.